Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can see this is search button. You just clicked, then enter your model number B760M DS3H DDR4 Generation 5. Then hit enter. Then click to product. The title of the model number. Then click to support. Then click on support. Audio driver, scroll down. You can see this is audio driver. So click to download. It's downloading here. So you can see here last 165 MB and 165 MB, and just open it. And then double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting driver to your system. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will close automatically and this is installed. But then close, this is installed.